Hello everyone and welcome to English Speaking Practice. Today we are going to learn useful English sentences that you can use at the airport. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin.
I am going to the airport.
I am going to the airport. Where is the check-in counter? Where is the check-in counter? I have a flight to London. I have a flight to London. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? Here is my passport. Here is my passport. Here is my ticket. Here is my ticket. What time is my flight? What time is my flight? Which gate should I go to? Which gate should I go to? My flight is on time. My flight is on time. My flight is delayed. My flight is delayed. Where can I check my baggage? Where can I check my baggage? I have one suitcase. I have one suitcase. Is this bag allowed? Is this bag allowed? Where is the security check? Where is the security check? Please remove your jacket. Please remove your jacket. Please put your bag on the scanner. Please put your bag on the scanner. Can I carry this on the plane? Can I carry this on the plane? Where is the departure gate? Where is the departure gate? I am waiting for my flight. I am waiting for my flight. When does boarding begin? When does boarding begin? I am ready to board. I am ready to board. May I see your boarding pass? May I see your boarding pass? Here is my boarding pass. Here is my boarding pass. What is my seat number? What is my seat number? My seat is by the window. My seat is by the window. Can I change my seat? Can I change my seat? Excuse me, where is my seat? Excuse me, where is my seat? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Have a nice flight. Have a nice flight. I am excited for my trip. I am excited for my trip. Excellent job! You have practiced 30 useful English sentences for the airport. Practice these sentences every day to improve your English speaking skills. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more English speaking practice videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.